Welcome kids to my channel Wonder.7. Today we will learn food names and facts. So let's go. See kids, this is bread. Bread is soft and fluffy. We eat it with butter or jam. See kids, this is a sandwich. A sandwich has bread, cheese and veggies. It's great for lunch. See kids, this is rice. Rice is soft and white. We eat it with curry. See kids, this is soup. Soup is warm and tasty. We eat it when we feel cold. See kids, this is salad. Salad is made of fresh vegetables. It keeps us healthy. See kids, this is a pancake. A pancake is flat and round. We eat it with honey or syrup. See kids, this is a waffle. A waffle is crispy and has little squares. It tastes so good with chocolate. See kids, this is cake. Cake is yummy and sweet. We eat it on birthdays. See kids, this is a muffin. A muffin is small and sweet. It looks like a cupcake. See kids, this is milk. Milk is white and healthy. It helps us grow strong. Bye bye kids.